How to change music length on Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen and then select on the post option. I'm going to select a very random picture over here and then tap on next. As I tap on next, you can see the option of music at the bottom of the screen, so tap on it. Select any of the songs, and after you select the song, you'll be able to see the option of 30 over here. So tap on it, and here you can select the clip duration or the length of the music that you would want to have. So you can go from the 5 seconds options to about, let's scroll down and check on it. So you can go up to 90 seconds. So let's select 77 seconds and then done. And that's how we can change music length on Instagram post. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.